Now at 5, childcare workers are seeing the lowest pay of almost any occupation. According to the United Way of San Antonio, families across the city are now seeing the consequences. KENS 5's Andrew Moore tells us what the nonprofit is doing about it.
What I was shocked about, Andrew, is how these educators make those dollars that they were receiving stretch and just attempt to make ends meet.
If you wanted to make a list of occupations that currently pay less per hour than childcare, well, you'd have a hard time. According to Texas Workforce Commission data, only fast food service was paying less in 2021, and only by 12 cents or so. Dr. Jason Alamon says low pay leads to consequences.
A tremendous amount of turnover.
And he said some childcare centers like Learning Tree Academy are seeing turnover rates around 100% a year. So the United Way of San Antonio decided to do a study. They helped Learning Tree Academy raise pay to at least $15 an hour in early 2022.
That turnover rate went from 116% to 30%.
But while the project was a success, finding a way to help centers across San Antonio pay more is a different story. Workforce Solutions Alamo has been working on the same issue, and one way they found to help was to pool resources.
And that basically allows, for example, a cohort of childcare providers to pay for one accountant.
CEO Adrian Lopez says more needs to be done, and he says raising that pay for early child education is critical for our future.
The most important critical time for a child to develop is ages 0 to 5.
Andrew Moore, KENS 5.
The United Way of San Antonio will formally announce its results of its childhood education wage increase pilot project later this month.